Okay.
It's called Cat and Mouse.
What?
Welcome to Cat and Mouse, episode 1.
Me and Jake just fell towards the end.
We gotta jump on the rates.
That's what we did.
You gotta leave it. You gotta stay on the rates for a minute, and then it'll let you go.
That's just it. We
can't even get it.
Good job.
Ah, man.
There you go.
We're gonna die.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, I can't kill you guys.
Over then.
No, you're not supposed to shoot us. You're supposed to just ram us.
It won't let me.
It's called. It's Cat and Mouse for a reason.
But you guys are so much faster.
But you still can ram us, like corner him right there. You could have killed him.
Last man standing.
See, there you go.
I think so. You were still alive when you got out.
Oh my God!
Jacob, is this the problem you're having with the race? You couldn't jump over a freaking gamp.
It was